Hello dear students, in the previous class we learned how to divide 4-digit number by 1 and 2-digit number, right? Have you remembered? So, in this class, let us learn how to divide 5-digit numbers by 1 and 2-digit number. First one is division of 5-digit number by 1-digit number. 15,826 divided by 8. Here 8 is a divisor and 15,826 is a dividend. Consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 1. 1 is less than this 8. We cannot divide 1 by this 8, right? That's why we have to consider two leftmost digits of the dividend, that is 15. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 15 in the table of 8. Tell me the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 is greater than this 15. That's why we have to consider 8 ones are 8. 1 should be written in quotient place. Then 8 should be written below this 15. Now subtract 8 from 15, that is 7. This 7 is less than this 8. We cannot divide 7 by this 8. That's why we have to bring down this 8. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 78 in the table of 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. 80 is greater than this 78. That's why we have to consider 8 9s are 72. 9 should be written in quotient place. Then write 72 below this 78. Subtract 72 from this 78. Then we will get 6. Then bring down this 2. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 62 in the table of 8. 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. 64 is greater than this 62. That's why we have to consider 8 7s are 56. 7 should be written in quotient place. Then write 56 below this 62. Now subtract 56 from this 62, that is 12 minus 6, 6, 5 minus 5, 0. Now bring down this 6. Now which number is less than or equal to this 66 in the table of 8? 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. 72 is greater than this 66. That's why we have to consider 8 8s are 64. 8 should be written in quotient place. Then write 64 below this 66. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. We get 2 as remainder and 1978 as a quotient. Now let us verify the division using the relation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 15,000 826. Divisor, that is 8 into quotient, we get 1978 plus remainder, that is 2. First multiply 8 by this 1978. 8 8s are 64, 7 8s are 56, 9 8s are 72, then 1 8s are 8 only. Now add all these products. 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. 2 should be written, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 8, that is 15. So we get 15,824. Now add this remainder for this product. When we add 2 to this 15,824, we will get 15,826. So LHS is equal to RHS. Our division is right. 98,304 divided by 4. 4 is a divisor and 98,304 is a dividend. Consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 9. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 is greater than this 9. That's why we have to consider 4 twos are 8. 2 should be written in quotient place. Write 8 below this 9. 9 minus 8, that is 1. Now bring down this 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 20 is greater than this 18. That's why we have to consider 4 fours are 16. 4 should be written in quotient place. Then write 16 below this 18. Subtract 16 from 18. Then we get 2. Now bring down this 3. 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. 24 is greater than this 23. That's why we have to consider 4 fives are 20. 5 should be written in quotient place. Then write 20 below this 23. 3 minus 0, that is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Then bring down this 0. 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. 32 is greater than this 30. That's why we have to consider 4 sevens are 28. 7 should be written in quotient place. Then write 28 below this 30. Subtract 28 from this 30. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then bring down this 4. This 24 is exactly divisible by this 4 on 6. 4 6 or 20. 4 6 should be written in quotient place. Then write 24. 24 minus 24, that is 0. Okay, now let us verify the division using the relation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here the dividend is 98,304 is equal to divisor, that is 4 into quotient 24,576 plus remainder, that is 0. Multiply 4 by this 24,576. 6 fours are 24, 7 fours are 28, 5 fours are 20, 4 fours are 16. Then 2 fours are 8. Now add all these products. 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 8, that is 10, 10 plus 0, 10 only, 0, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, then 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, then 1 plus 8, that is 9. We get 98,304. LHS is equal to RHS. Our division is right. The total salary of 5 teachers is 23,430 rupees. Find the salary of 1 teacher. 5 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸಂಬಳ 23,430 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಸಂಬಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 23,430 rupees. Then number of teachers 5. Salary of 1 teacher, we have to find out this one. For that we have to divide 23,430 by this 5. Okay. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 fours are 20, 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, bring down this 4, 5 6 or 30, 5 7s or 35, we have to consider 5 6, that is 30, 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 3, 0, bring down this 3, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, we have to consider 5 8s are 40. 8 should be written in quotient place, then write 40. 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 4, 0. Then bring down this 0. 30 is divisible by this 5 on 6. 5 6 are 30. So we get 4,686. The salary of 1 teacher is 4,686 rupees. Division of a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Divide 78,953 by 17. Here 17 is a divisor and 78,953 is a dividend. Consider the 2 leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 78. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 78 in the table of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. 85 is greater than this 78, that's why we have to consider 17 fours are, that is 68. 4 should be written in quotient place, then write 68 below this 78. 8 minus 8, that is 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down this 9. So we have 109. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 109 in the table of 17. 17 5s are 85, 17 6 are 102, 17 7s are 119. 119 is greater than this 109. That's why we have to consider 17 6 are 102. So write 6 in quotient please. Then write 102 below this 109. Subtract 102 from 109. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring down this 5. Find out which number is less than or equal to this 75 in the table of 17. 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85. 85 is greater than this 75. That's why we have to consider 17 4s are, that is 68. 4 should be written in quotient please. Then write 68 below this 75. Subtract 68 from this 75. So we cannot subtract 8 from this 5. That's why we have to borrow 1 from this 7 tens. Here we have 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring down this. Again 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85. We have to consider 17 4s are 68. 4 should be written in quotient place. Then write 68 below this 73. We cannot subtract 8 from this 3. That's why we have to borrow 110 from this 7 tens. Then here we have 13 tens. 13 minus 8, that is 5. 6 minus 6, 0. So we get 5 as remainder and 4644 as a quotient. If the cost of 25 buffaloes is 65,925 rupees, find the cost of one buffalo. 25 ಬಫೆಲೋಸ್ಗಳ ಒಟ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ 65,925 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಫೆಲೋನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 65,925. Number of buffaloes, that is 25. Cost of one buffalo, we have to find out cost of one buffalo. For that we have to divide 65,925 by this 25. Consider the two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 65. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 65 in the table of 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. 75 is greater than this 65. That's why we have to consider 25 twos are 50. 2 should be written in quotient please. Then write 50 below this 65. Subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, that is 1. Then bring down this 9. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 159 in the table of 25. 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 six are 150. 6 should be written in quotient please. Then write 150 below this 159. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then bring down this 2. 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 100 is greater than this 92. That's why we have to consider 25 threes are, that is 75. Subtract 75 from this 92. We cannot subtract 5 from this 2. That's why we have to borrow 110 from this 9 tens. Then here we have 12 ones. 12 minus 5, that is 7. Here we have left 8. 8 minus 7, that is 1. Then bring down this 5. Find out which number is less than or equal to this 175 in the table of 25. This 175 is exactly divisible by this 25 on 7. 25 sevens are 175. So 175 minus 175, that is 0. Here we get 2637 as a quotient. The cost of one buffalo, that is 2637. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about how to divide 5-digit numbers by 1 and 2-digit numbers. Thank you.